Welcome to this short video on how to use Adobe's Firefly to convert text to image. So the first thing you would do is go to Adobe Firefly, which is at firefly.adobe.com. I like to go to the text to image and click Generate. So there are lots of different examples of how others have created images from text prompts. This is where you can type in what your prompts are. In this case, mine is a beautiful cottage in the country surrounded by spring wildflowers, a flowing stream nearby, and a blue sky with fluffy white clouds. It has a path that leads to the front door of the cottage. And so then it is at this time generating those images. It creates 4 different images, and you can take a closer look at each of them and decide if there's one that you actually like. From there you can also download it. You can change the aspect ratio of the image that you want. Square is the default. It is currently on photo, but you can change that to art. That will give a different look. We'll generate it and see what that looks like. Again, you can enlarge the images to see if there is one that you prefer. From here, you have multiple options, including download. You may also edit the photo, which means that you're going to add something else with generative fill or any of the other options. Let's change this from art to photo, regenerate, and see what we get now. As you can see, it gives you a very different look. But in addition to that, you have all of these effects that are available in Firefly. I usually select the all so that I can just take a look through all of the ones that are available. You can choose more than one effect that you might like to have for your images. In this case, why don't we choose digital art? Let's see what it'll look like with photo selected and the digital art effect. We can add on another effect. Let's choose cinematic and see what that gives us. And here are the 4 results. Let's see what happens if we choose watercolor. We have this set as a photo with 3 different effects. Let's clear those out and try something else. Let's try otherworldly and also change it to photo. We'll take a closer look at each of these. We can make some other adjustments, including increasing the visual intensity. We'll add another effect here. In this case, let's try Baroque. Get rid of that otherworldly. Photo manipulation is another good effect to apply. You may also edit or add to your prompt. You may also use a reference image, and you can do that by uploading your own image or using one from the reference image gallery provided by Firefly. Firefly will use the color scheme and style of the reference image with your prompt. We'll remove a couple of the effects and change the content type from photo to art. Let's try the watercolor effect. As you can see, there are a huge number of options for you, whether choosing one or many of the different effects, making it a photo or an art piece, and having the option to use a reference image. Using Firefly gives you the opportunity to try out text-to-image creation and also to learn more about successful prompts. Have fun trying out all these options.